let's dive into some claim scenarios where we can see that risk transfer take place. One of our customers, they had a commercial auto policy of a business. And on that commercial auto policy, there's options. You can have a named driver policy where you have to name every driver that's going to be driving or they're not covered. And some companies do that. Whether you realize they do that or not, it's actually built into the policy where if you don't list that driver on the policy and then they get into an accident. So the company that we had them placed with did not have a named driver endorsement where you had to have everyone named. And thankfully so, because their son took the vehicle without their knowledge, without their permission, went out joyriding, got into a horrible accident that thankfully he was okay, the son was, but seriously injured another party. Now, the insurance pays out $1 million to this other party for their injuries. The transfer there of that risk, right? Where you go, hey, all of a sudden that premium that I was paying, of X number of dollars looks like a good deal in response to that claim that just got paid out. But the bad part about that is, right? So that now the second part of that scenario, the renewal time, when that comes up for the policy, these claims affect you. And then they look at that and go, okay, well, what's the management of the business? Because they go, the unlisted youthful driver had access to the vehicle, was able to take the vehicle and get out into a major accident with a major payout. Not an attractive risk from an insurance standpoint. So now your premiums are drastically impacted. So the risk transfer worked because we transferred the risk of that $1 million lawsuit from the business owner and the parents to the insurance company. On the flip side now, part of that risk transfer, now that the insurance company goes, that the risk is a lot higher than what we anticipated. Now the premiums go up significantly. And that's why the premiums were going up significantly after a claim, because the risk factor on those policies, on that particular account changes drastically.